Preparation of the opening. Before starting, make sure the opening is ready for installation. The opening should be 1/2 inch wider and taller than the frame size. The floor must be level. Apply waterproofing sealant around the sill area to protect against moisture. Once the opening is clean, level, and waterproofed, the installation can begin. Frame assembly. Step 1. Identify and match the frame pieces using their letter markings. Step 2. Insert the rollers into the top track slot before connecting the sides of the frame. Step 3. Tighten all screws evenly until no gaps remain between frame pieces. Placing the frame. Move the assembled frame to the prepared opening. Ensure it's centered, square, and level. Verify that drain holes on the bottom track face outward. Frame installation. Step 1. Apply construction adhesive under the bottom track for a strong, watertight bond. Step 2. Drill holes in the side frames. 7/16 of an inch for plastic caps on the first layer, 1/4 inch for the remaining layers. Step 3. Secure the frame to the opening using screws. Side pieces, 3 to 4 screws. Top track, 3 to 4 screws spaced evenly. Step 4. Check the alignment once more and cover the screw holes with the supplied plastic caps. Installing door panels. Step 1. Begin with panel number 1. Attach it to the frame using hinge screws. Step 2. Place panel number 2 by positioning the bottom wheel onto the track first, then secure the top guide roller to the connector inside the top frame. Step 3. Once aligned, connect panel number 2 to panel number 1 using hinge screws. Step 4. Add panel number 3, connecting it to panel number 2 using hinge screws. Step 5. Place panel number 4 by positioning the bottom wheel onto the track first, then secure the top guide roller to the connector inside the top frame. Handle and hardware installation. Install the handles on the locking panel. Main lock panel. Attach panel number 5 main lock panel to connecting it to panel number 4 using hinge. Final check. Open and close the door several times. Ensure all panels fold smoothly and the frame stays level. Adjust hinges or wheel alignment if necessary. The installation is now complete.